Hey everybody, this video is about dry fitting your kit, and I think it's one of the most important steps to take when building a dollhouse. Dry fitting is simply building your kit using painter's tape or masking tape. So after you've taken inventory of all the pieces, now you're ready to assemble your kit with tape. The biggest benefit to doing a dry fit is that it helps remove the fear of permanently gluing the wrong pieces together. If you tape something wrong, you simply remove the tape and start over, and no damage is done. Dry fitting ahead of time lets you see the overall picture and helps you understand the instructions. You'll learn things along the way, so you have time to jot down notes or reminders on the instruction sheet for things to be aware of when you're ready to use glue. The fun part of dry fitting is now you can easily plan the room layout and furniture placement. You can also determine if you want to customize your kit, whether it's adding walls to make another room or removing walls for an open floor plan. This is the best time to plan your build. And this is where I will spend a lot of time trying to figure out the room layout and interior decor. I'll also start thinking about placement of light fixtures. Finally, now is also a good time to plan your exterior as far as colors and finishes. You may notice that I didn't dry fit the roof yet, but I will do that after I have a solid plan for my room layout. So if you want to remove the fear of building a house and be confident in your build, dry fitting is the way to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new to my channel and like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.